Problem solution. By AccountingWare. Welcome to our video on Mass Changer in ActivityHD. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Mass Changer to update multiple records quickly and efficiently. There are several ways to change multiple records in ActivityHD. You can open and edit each record one at a time. You can use Show List to move through records and edit them as you go. Or you can use Mass Changer to apply the same change across many records all at once. Let's briefly start with Show List before moving on to the Mass Changer. To open the Show List pane, with a record open, press Ctrl-L, or from the ActivityHD icon, select File then Show List from the menu. This adds a list pane alongside your record, so you can move easily from one to the next. You can apply filters and use the lookup field to narrow the list, and Show List will remember them. When you're finished, press Ctrl-L again or simply close the window. Show List works great for stepping through records and making individual edits, but when you need to apply the same change across a large group of records all at once, that's where Mass Changer really shines. Let's navigate to AP Vendors. Here, you may find that a group of vendors needs the same field updated. For example, you may need to update the payment terms for a set of vendors to reflect new agreements. Rather than opening each vendor record one by one, we can use Mass Changer to apply an update across all of them at once. Before opening Mass Changer, we need to select the vendor records we want to update. You can narrow down your selection using filters, the lookup field, or column filtering to make sure you're working with exactly the right group. To select the vendors that need to be updated, you can hold down Shift and click to select a group, hold down Ctrl and select individual records, or press Ctrl-A to select all records currently in view. Now we can use Mass Changer. Right-click on your selection and click the lightning bolt icon that says Change, or click the Change icon in the Action toolbar. With Mass Changer open, you'll be prompted to choose the field you want to update. In this example, we'll select the Payment Terms field and enter the new value, for instance, net 30. Before processing, take a moment to review your selection. Confirm that the correct vendors are included and that the new value is accurate. There is no undo for this process, so review carefully. Once everything looks right, go ahead and process the mass change. ActivityHD will update all selected vendor records with the new payment terms value simultaneously. If we open any of the updated vendor records, we can see that the payment terms field reflects the new value, without having to edit a single record individually. Mass Changer is also capable of more advanced updates beyond simple field changes. For records that reference an account mask, you can use Mass Changer to update specific positions within that mask across multiple records at once. You have two options: Replace All, where an underscore in a specific position clears that value, and a question mark changes it to a wildcard, and Partial Replace, where an underscore leaves a position unchanged, and a question mark changes it to a wildcard. This gives you precise control over account mask fields across a large set of records. For even more flexibility, Mass Changer supports ChangeBots, a way to apply scripted logic-based changes to your records. ChangeBots are available when running Mass Changer from the HD view. Once your records are selected, open the Change Wizard and choose ChangeBot from the Fields list. Then enter the bot code that defines the change you want to make. For example, the ChangeBot could uppercase the contents of the description field, like we have here in the chart of accounts. It could also update the domain on a set of email addresses on a list of vendor contacts. or set a GL date to match the invoice date, all applied across your selected records in a single process. Mass Changer is a powerful tool for keeping your data consistent and up to date across ActivityHD, while significantly reducing the time and effort required for bulk updates. In this video, we covered the show list feature for browsing and editing records one at a time, and Mass Changer for applying bulk changes, including updating specific fields, working with account masks, and using change bots for more advanced updates. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more information about Mass Changer or show list, please refer to the ActivityHD help text or contact our support team. Assistance with ChangeBot code is available as an extended service. Thanks for watching.